books, one red and one blue. Together they both giggle loud, pencils in a row. Packing up for school time, ready now to go. Baby Ollie adds his crayons, colors soft and sweet. Baby Squirrel helps him pack, dancing on his feet. Little Duckling joins the fun, tucking in a snack. Ollie smiles so happily, school bag on his back. Baby Ollie slips and paints, brushes neat and small. Baby Kitty helps him pack, humming like a call. Baby Lamb brings papers white, clean and crisp to write. Ollie zips the school bag up, shining with delight. Baby Ollie adds a book, stories full of cheer. Baby Bear brings rulers straight, numbers sharp and clear. Baby Fox puts water in, bottle tall and bright. Ollie laughs with happy friends, morning feels so light. Baby Ollie grabs some glue, sticky, smooth, and fun. Baby Deer adds music notes, dancing in the sun. Baby Puppy sneaks a bow, hiding it with glee. Ollie pats his furry head, smiling joyfully. Baby Ollie ties his shoes, polished, neat, and clean. Baby Chick packs stickers bright, shining with the sheen. Baby Panda waves hello, holding snacks to share. Ollie claps with tiny hands, joy is everywhere. Baby Ollie puts in snacks, apple red and round. Baby Goat adds scissors safe, making snips that sound. Baby Owl brings pencils sharp, golden just like rays. Ollie grins and says to all, ready for school days.